What if I told you that skipping meals, on purpose, could actually make you healthier? Fasting isn't just about weight loss or religious rituals. Science is uncovering incredible benefits of fasting, from cellular repair to brain function. But what exactly happens inside your body when you fast? Stay with me as we break it all down, backed by real science. Number 1. The first few hours, blood sugar and energy use. Let's start with what happens right after you eat. Your body is in what scientists call the fed state. When you consume food, your body breaks it down into glucose, which is absorbed into the bloodstream. According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases (NIDDK), insulin is released to help store excess glucose in your liver and muscles as glycogen. This stored energy is used when you're not eating. Now, let's fast forward, literally. After about 8 to 12 hours of not eating, your body starts running out of stored glucose. This is where things get interesting. Number 2. 12 to 24 hours, fat burning begins. By 12 to 24 hours into fasting, your body enters a state called gluconeogenesis, a fancy term that means your liver starts making new glucose from stored fats and proteins. According to a 2021 study published in Nature Reviews Endocrinology, fasting prompts your body to switch from burning sugar to burning fat as its primary energy source. This is why fasting is linked to weight loss. But the benefits don't stop at fat loss. Your cells are about to enter survival mode, and that's when the real magic happens. Number 3. 24 to 48 hours, autophagy, cellular cleanup. Ever heard of autophagy? This is your body's way of taking out the trash. According to a study published in the Journal of Cell Science, after 24 to 48 hours of fasting, your cells begin breaking down old, damaged proteins and recycling them for energy. This process helps reduce the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and even cancer. Think of it like hitting the reset button on your body. Number 4. 48 to 72 hours, immune system reboot. Here's where things get really exciting. After about 48 to 72 hours of fasting, your body starts producing new white blood cells, giving your immune system a major boost. A groundbreaking study from the University of Southern California found that prolonged fasting triggers stem cell regeneration, which could help fight infections and even slow down aging. So, fasting isn't just about skipping meals, it's literally helping your body heal itself. Number 5. 3+ days, mental clarity. If you push fasting beyond 3 days, things get even more interesting. Studies suggest that extended fasting may increase human growth hormone (HGH) production, which helps maintain muscle mass and burn fat. And let's talk about your brain. According to research from Harvard Medical School, fasting increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF), a protein that protects neurons and may lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. This could explain why many people report mental clarity, focus, and even euphoria when fasting. So, let's recap. When you fast, first 12 hours, your body burns stored glucose. After 24 hours, fat burning kicks in and autophagy begins. After 48 hours, your immune system gets a reboot. After 72 hours, your brain and metabolism get long-term benefits. Fasting is not just about weight loss, it's a scientifically backed way to reset your body, boost immunity, and even improve brain function. What do you think? Have you tried fasting before? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health content.